Carrying your DJI Mini 5 Pro safely and conveniently is just as important as having the drone itself. A well-designed backpack protects the drone, controller, batteries, filters, and cables while offering comfort and ease of access. In this video, we examine 3 backpacks.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have generic shoulder backpack. A generic shoulder backpack refers to a versatile, multi-purpose bag not specifically built for drones, but designed to accommodate camera gear and small electronics. Many photographers and drone pilots start with such a bag because of its flexibility and affordability. The appeal lies in its familiar format and ease of finding replacements or parts. The backpack is crafted with water-repellent outer material and a reinforced interior, ensuring your belongings stay dry and protected while offering easy organization for drone gear during all kinds of travel. Its form-fitted design includes dedicated compartments for tidy storage along with a padded shoulder strap and discrete pockets for additional accessories. It accommodates the drone body, remote controller, batteries, propellers, and other essentials, keeping everything neatly arranged and secure. Perfect for outdoor shoots, travel adventures, and everyday use. On number 2, we have Rixavleo Turtle Shell Backpack. The Rixavleo Turtle Shell Backpack stands out with its distinctive hard-shell turtle design. This semi-rigid structure provides extra protection to the contents, resisting pressure, impacts, or crushing forces. The shell helps the backpack retain its shape even when partially emptied, which is useful for organizing when gear is light. Weighing around 600 grams for the shell portion, the Rixavleo model is fairly lightweight for its protection class. Its form fits well with drone setups since the shell takes care of external pressure while internal compartments or foam inserts hold the Mini 5 Pro components snugly. The unique styling also makes it easy to spot your gear. One of the benefits of the turtle shell design is efficient external protection, which helps when placing the bag under other baggage or leaning it against rough surfaces. Inside, the rigid outer layer complements the inner cushioning to buffer shocks. However, because of its semi-rigid structure, the Rixavleo backpack may lack the flexibility of soft bags to squeeze into tight spaces or expand as you add extras. Also, hard shells sometimes transmit impact forces more directly if dropped on a hard edge. On number 3, we have JSVER Backpack. The JSVER Backpack is a case specifically marketed for DJI Mini and similar drone models. It uses a hard outer shell made of EVA for shock protection and combines it with splash-proof materials and waterproof zippers to guard against moisture intrusion. The design allows the backpack to open 180 degrees, enabling full access to gear without dumping your whole load. Inside, JSVER offers adjustable dividers so you can configure the layout based on your gear, for example, more battery slots or extra cable space. The backpack also includes zippered pockets in the top section for small accessories such as ND filters, propellers, or mobile devices. The strap design allows wearing it as a shoulder bag, sling, or on the back. For the Mini 5 Pro, this versatility of internal layout is a major plus because you may want to carry different numbers of batteries, different controller types, or extra accessories like a tablet. The ability to open the pack fully reduces the need to rummage through piles of gear. On the flip side, a specialized backpack means that if your drone setup changes drastically, parts of the layout might become inefficient. So these are some of the best backpacks to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.